Hi guys, my name is Guinto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called the Profit Stream. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the profit stream works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on January 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll be able to get access to the profit stream when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the profit stream. Now to put this briefly, Profit Stream is a software that you can integrate your autoresponder so you can build your list, which means this is how you can get people's email addresses so you can communicate with them via the email marketing. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below for you to check out Get Response Forever free plan. That's personally what I use for my email marketing, and so you should go ahead and check out. They have this forever free plan that they just recently came up, I think around almost the end of 2021, and so you can go ahead and check it out. And also once you've done that, then you can integrate your autoresponder inside of the profit stream, so you can create your campaign that's already been pre-made for you so you can start sending offers to your email list. Now you can get pretty much you get the idea of how the profit stream works. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the profit stream. Now, using the software, you can send your affiliate links to your email list. So that's why using this program, it will enable you to build your lists and can also create your campaign to send your affiliate offers to your list inside of this program. This also includes video trainings, so it's going to show you a step-by-step on how to use Profit Stream. Now it will also show you how to integrate your autoresponder and how to create your campaign and publish so you can send your offers the right way. So you can find it over here. And also when you decide to pick up Profit Stream, make sure that you click the link below to get the discounted price for this product. So you will also get you will get my free bonuses offer as my way of saying thanks so much for taking the time to watch my review video. So now over here is the main dashboard of the profit system. So this is the members area. So you're gonna see the welcome picture here. Then the tutorials, I'm gonna show it to you really quick. So it's gonna open a different tab. Even though I did the right click and open new tab, it's actually gonna open this one. Then it's gonna show you really quick, gonna show you the video trainings and the support and resources of this program. So if you come down here, scroll down, and you're gonna see each of this step-by-step tutorial on how to for example, Profit Stream overview of the system here. This is how you're gonna learn how to integrate your autoresponder in this video, and how to set up the done for you campaigns right over here. And then also here is how to create new campaigns and so much more. So these are all the step-by-step tutorials that you're gonna be learning from this program. So pretty much as you can see here, there's a lot, and also for traffic strategies as well. So if you're curious on how to send your offers, you're gonna learn all these traffic strategies inside of this training as well. All right, so these are all the tutorials of the profit stream. Now on to the campaigns. So you click on it. As you can see here, this is where you can create your campaign. It's gonna prompt you into following the instructions of how you wanna create your campaign so you can start sending offers depending on what niche that you're into. So you can pretty much select the kind of niche that you want to promote so that you can start creating your campaigns here. And this is the video campaigns as well. So if you'd like to put a video URL over here or manage your video URL collection, you can do so over here. So if you want to do a video campaign, you can certainly do this. I'm pretty sure you can use YouTube videos on this section here. More information about this inside of the video tutorials. And then right over here is the products. Okay, so this is where you can create new products or manage your product categories over here. And then also if we go to done for you, this is pretty much done for you section here. Can create new it's pretty much gonna let you create a done for you bonus in this section here. And then we're gonna go to the video ads. So it will be a slightly different but the same way of how you can create video ads into the section. But really quick, I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough of how the system works. But again, there is a video tutorial step by step on how to use this. So I'm just trying to show you how this works, as you can see here, so you'll know what is inside of this program here. Free traffic. All right, so not to worry about the traffic part, because this program here includes free traffic, so you don't have to worry about finding traffic. So if you're worried about that, then over here is where you can set up your traffic, as you can see here. Okay, these are free traffic. So all you got to do is just go down to this section here. You're going to see all this traffic guide, traffic stuff over here that you can check out, as you can see here. Okay, and then upgrades, I can let you know all about it, but if you are interested in growing your online business, definitely check out all the upgrades over here. They're going to be inside of the members area, or once you pick up the profit stream onto my exclusive link, don't forget, if you decide to click on that, you're going to get a discounted price along with my free bonuses as well when you decide to pick up profit stream. So that is pretty much it with the profit stream inside of the members area. Now I'm going to be showing you my free bonuses offer with this program. I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up profit stream, this is going to go live on January 10th. Now that's when they'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. So as you can see here, this will come up in the next 10 seconds. Make sure to take advantage of the $2 off so you can get a discounted price for this. Now scroll down here, and right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, or you can actually go ahead and find me on Facebook. This is my my personal profile Facebook here. You can actually send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, with the bonuses offer I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $17 in price for the early bird price. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out all the upgrades so you can grow your online business if you want to increase your chances for earning more money. So right over here are all again, all this stuff that I'm adding onto the bonus page here. So if you're interested to look at the title of the upgrades that is available for you to check out, it's right over here onto my bonus page. Now feel free to click on the link down below in this video, and you can get all this upgrade available for you to check out. It's basically self-explanatory the way how it's written over here. Don't forget, if you are considering growing your online business, definitely check out the upgrades onto my bonus page. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my profit stream review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video. Now make sure that you click the link below to purchase the profit stream at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys onto my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.